plug. We the plug.
Yeah. Only if it's dope.com.
If you ain't got it, it's already out here. Get it.
I hear the music. You know what? I said on Facebook, I hate the 2 hour old horn. Hashtag that.
Grew up, same hood.
Sean tonight, man. You know, I've been doing this for a while, man.
Roll with the squad or either get crushed. I'm trying to give you heads up. As if I say charge, you will get touched. I'm trying to give you heads up. Cool as can be, but don't try and play your luck. I'm trying to give you heads up. Now you want a cop, please, but we don't care much. I try to give you heads up. When y'all put shit down, I lift a nigga up. Send him home to glory, come for me and get touched. Should've listened up when I told you it's not a bluff. Now you fucked and I don't feel sorry for you, it's tough luck. Gassed up, niggas claim to be the illest, but the flow is hard like the bars is covered in acrylic. Heard your record, I can't respect it, and we don't feel it. It's time to grab pitchforks and chase you out of the village. Look, I pillage the booth, I killing your crew. Stay in your lane, it's black rain, bitch, you iller than who? I ain't worried about you, so why you grilling me, dude? Do your homework on me, you find that I'm really the truth. So bad back, before I spaz, I put my foot in your ass crack. Wear a gas mask when I rap, the flow is hazmat. That's hazardous material, black the imperial, celestial flow in the track. Call that a miracle. The roll with the squad, they get crushed. I'm trying to give you heads up. As if I say charge, you will get touched. I'm trying to give you heads up. I'm cool as can be, but don't try and play your luck. I'm trying to give you heads up. Now you want a cop, please, but we don't care much. I try to give you heads up.
Photography plug. We the plug.
When I was in the street, when we was in the street, I was little. I was 13. Hold it. Anyway, this your people right here. What up, y'all?
I'm doing music with my man's right here.
Anybody can talk about it. He official.
He can sing.
I'm about to go too.
Let's hear something.
She said,
Let's hear something.
You should be the one to say that, because you was about that life, right?
Yeah. It's 2 a.m. Girl, you don't have to go. So light a couple candles and let me take control.
Yeah. It's trilogy.
Yeah.
Trying to Chris Brown hoes, so he can't stop.
Yeah.
Right.
Photography plug. We the plug.